Yeah, so obviously Ben and I ended up having to go our separate ways. Had to get from the company for a variety of different reasons that were well outside of my control. Moved from the company for a variety of different reasons that were well outside of my control. Has not responded well to that. There was supposed to be a buyout. He was supposed to be getting bought out, and he kind of refused that every way, and he's just trying to burn everything to the ground. Obviously, we're still in the house, so we're trying to keep it from burning down. You know, we're trying to save the business for as many people here as we can. So we're back into trying to look at sales. We don't really have a lot of sponsorships or sales or anything right now. Trying to look at sales. We don't really have a lot of sponsorships or sales or anything right now. So we're, just trying to get everything going that we can. Project-wise, obviously the cleaner the better, but at this point we're opening that up a lot, to interpretation. We're trying to move forward. The plan for Discover Crypto is to move forward with good industry-facing brands, exchanges, wallets, that sort of stuff. But again, that's a little tough right now. We do coin reviews still. We haven't really been getting paid for them. We just do them just because people want to see them. So we will do project reviews if we want to vet them a little bit. But if we want to vet them a little bit. But coin reviews we'll do. And then we can do a competitive pricing, for our size. I know a lot of the big guys like Altcoin and them, I charge like 40K a video, stuff like that. We could do it for a lot less than 20K, something like that, 10K even, given the circumstances. So, just depends on what's out there. We're close with a couple big flagship sponsors that we'd like to lock in, and if we lock those in, it might change a little bit what we're doing. But we're just right now, anybody that's interested, we'll have a conversation with, because we're just trying to get some dollars flowing. Are you guys in a Telegram group? Or Telegram group is fine, yeah, or email or whatever. Just put it, let's make a group with me, you, and Justin in it, maybe, and then when things come in, we'll respond quickly. And we potentially have an exchange affiliate to do, and other than that, we are very close with a big deal. We have Arculus coming into the office this week, and that's who we're hoping will be our kind of title and be over everything else. But as far as that, category wise, if it's a bigger brand that wants to do like monthly, tons of mentions, tons of exposure, we can do a ton of exposure for a brand for 25K a month versus some of those one-off videos. Branding more than like explanation, buy this coin. It's just their logo will be everywhere. And we'll send you our new deck too, because we've got kind of more reach, but it's a little bit different now in the sense that Joshua Jake just joined our team. He has 500K on TikTok. So I don't know if you have people that like TikTok, but that's a piece. And then we've got a lot more channels now than probably we were working with you last time, between Blockchain Basement, Around the Blockchain, BitLab Academy, as well as the main channel. We can do stuff where we'll do content across all of those channels for, when you say things have kind of slowed down, have you done any deals recently in the last 30, 60 days, or has it just been like one-offs here and there, or how slow is slow? Okay, no worries. Justin, did you have anything you wanted to add?
No, I was going to ask that same question, but no, I appreciate your time.